Thanks for 20K followers. Thanks for following me, and thank you for thinking I'm worth your time. For that, I thought I'd do something different, and I'm about to straighten my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in 3 years, I would say. Okay. So before straightening my hair, I washed it and put a moisturizing mask on it to make sure my hair is as healthy as possible. And then I put a heat protector in, and this one is from Phyto Specific Paris. I just used whatever we had in the house. And then I blow dried my hair before straightening it to make it easier. I always made sure to blow down basically and to comb my hair down so that it's like, easier at the straightening process. That's when I realized how fascinating hair is. Look at this, like blow dried and wet hair looks just so way different. And I continued doing this for the other side as well to blow dry my hair until it's fully dry. This is what you call a flip. This is what I call black girl magic. Look at this hair. I loved it so much. I played so much with it. Anyways, I started then to parting my hair and took small pieces in the back to straighten it. And as you can see, I do pulsively moves at the top and then go down towards the ends and then curl it so that the ends are frizzy. And that is basically what I do for my whole head, and it just took I think it took me in total an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. And maybe you should put a towel on your skin so that you prevent heat damage, just like me. Like, look at me, I'm like scared that the hair falls on my skin. It's only me. Yo, you and me. Like, yeah. Baby, I've been thinking about you. Yo, who is this? What? Stop. Stop. What? Who is this? Like, my hair is just so long. What? Who is this? Whose hair is this? What are you saying? It's over now. It's over. Thank you so much for following, and I hope you like the content I'm putting out. And I am so in love with my hair. I didn't know my hair is that long. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.